This is our hallway of the Disney Dream Cruise. Now I'm going to take you into a little tour of our cabin, 9158.
Hi, hello. Come on in.
Thank you. Hi, Mom and Dad.
Hi, Dante.
This is our room.
Hey, you forgot Mom, Dad, and Daniel.
And Daniel. Can't forget Daniel.
11 Christmas. We're in our stateroom, 9158.
Y'all, look at this view. Look at this, what we got. We're still at port
In Cape
in
Canaveral.
Cape Canaveral. There's the other boat over there.
Yeah.
We are on the beautiful Disney cruise. This will turn out into a bed for me and Daniel to sleep in bunk beds. This is that on the couch. Here's the rest of the room. Hello. Now let's go see our cute little bathroom. So pretty. Already stocked with spa stuff. Towels. Cute little floor. You step in. Full shower. And it's like a little bowl. So you make, a soup for yourself. A bubble bath soup and sleep in it. Sleep in it? I mean, take a shower in it. Or you can sleep in it. That's probably what I'm going to do. And then the toilet is separate. Here's the loo. So quaint, so tiny, so cute. But we're probably not going to be in here very much because we're going to be doing some awesome things on this cruise. Everybody say bye.
Bye.